Happy Saturday, everyone. I'm making this video because I want to go through exactly what you're going to do to prepare for class on this coming week. So let me share my screen with you. We'll walk through it. So as you can see here, you're on the Camino page. You're going to go through to the modules section. And of course, you're scrolling down and you're getting ready for module 3. Okay. So you're going to read through the module 3 overview. And then before class, you're going to do the module 1 reading exercise, which is called Inspiring Wonder. So you'll click on that. And here you're going to read the introduction and chapter in the Agarwal Raghunath book called Inspiring Wonder. And you're going to be thinking about what it means to teach students to question and think as they develop their own sense of wonder in the world. So for your curricular unit, you're thinking about what activities are you going to do to begin your first lesson? How are you going to elicit prior knowledge? Prior knowledge is how are you going to find out what they already know about the topic, right? So how are you going to do that? What activities are you going to have them do? So the first thing you're going to do is to watch this video. Now, this video was locked. The permission from Santa Clara to watch the video wasn't rolled over. So as of Friday, it's now open. So just to let you know, Santa Clara has a contract with a company called Canopy, and this video is being played through Canopy. So you automatically have a Canopy account if you have an SCU account. So let me show you how this works. So you're going to click on the video. I'm logged in because I already have a Canopy account. You probably don't have a Canopy account, so you're going to want to log in. So I'm going to log back out. Okay. I'm going to go back to so I'm going to click on this Canopy. And I see this little thing up here. It says log in on the right side, log in. I'm going to click on log in. And here you're going to log in with your Santa Clara credentials. Okay. If you don't have an account yet, you can click here, but here, once you have an account, I believe you can go ahead and just log in through your Santa Clara email. Then log in. And now you're logged in. Okay. So what you want to watch is episode 3. There's 3 episodes. You don't want to watch program 1 or program 2. You want to watch program 3, which is about 32 minutes. So if you click on program 3, scroll down, here it is, click on play.
Robert.
And it automatically now is going to start playing. Okay. So that is this piece, step 2. I just demonstrated how to complete step 2. So once you're done watching this and you're reading this, I want you to answer this reflection question. When developing a social justice oriented social studies lesson or unit, how might you begin the lesson by inspiring wonder in your students? How will you elicit prior knowledge? How do you know what they already know about the subject? What strategies will you draw from? In other words, what strategies from what you read in chapter 1, what strategies did you watch in the video that you might like to use in your unit? Okay. And then you're going to submit it. Then the next thing you're going to do to get ready for class is you're going to complete the hypothesis discussion number 1, where you go to hypothesis discussion number 1, you click on load hypothesis discussion, this little square, click on it. It loads it in a separate tab. And here you have the reading. You can see what other people have said. But just as I demonstrated in class, you're going to highlight, let's say you're reading, you're skimming. Remember we talked about you're skimming through. You're not carefully reading, you're skimming through until you find something that looks interesting. So maybe I think this looked interesting, word blind. A graduate student in 2029 encountered a boy labeled word blind while working at a research institute. He spent 7 months teaching them how to read, and he remedied the boy's skills to a 3rd grade reading level. So that's pretty incredible to get a student to go from like kindergarten to 3rd grade in 1 month. So I would go right up here. Do you see I highlighted it and it says annotate? I'm going to go to annotate, and then here it's popping up. Wow. I'm going to write, wow. Advancing a student's reading level this quickly is amazing. Okay. And I'm going to click post, and there it is. Okay. So that's how you do that piece. So going back to the assignments here. Going back to getting ready for tonight, for next week. Here you have Inspiring Wonder that we just talked about, and you have the hypothesis discussion. So once you've looked at your overview and you submit your work for both of these assignments, you'll be ready for class, okay, this next week. So I'm going to stop my share, and I hope you have a good Saturday. If you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, we'll see you in class this week. Okay. Talk to you later. Bye.